career exploration workshop for the HVAC or solar contractors is really an opportunity for them to come in and talk about what the day in the life of a technician or a manager or a contractor, what their day looks like, what their career looks like.
There's much more to the trades, I think, than a lot of young people understand. And so I love getting out and kind of spreading the word about what's exciting about the trades. And there's a lot with technology being integrated and opening up a lot of different job opportunities. There's a lot to be excited about.
I think high school is the time when students are making decisions about what careers they want to have. And so if I can expose them to a lot of different things while they're in school, they can start to see their pathway.
You know, you look at contractors or dealers that are looking for manpower, they're not looking for 100 people. So, you know, you go into a classroom that has 20 people. If you have one or two that take an interest to it, I think that's what's important.
So the process working with Focus on Energy to set up the career exploration workshop is simple.
Focus on Energy set us up to be successful. So they gave us the agenda, speaking with the students, letting them know what's exciting about our industry. You know, the way that we had it set up was fantastic.
One of the best parts about being in the trades is just the fact that no matter who you are, where you are, when it is, there's always the opportunities to get into the trades, especially right now.
You can move into sales, you can move into management, you can move into marketing. When I'm interviewing people, it's one of the biggest responses is, I'm tired of a job, I'm looking for a career, right? And that's what the trades offer in a very big way.
I would absolutely do the workshop again. I think it was a really great experience, and it's a cool experience to be able to get out and speak in front of the students and kind of open up their eyes maybe to new career avenues.
I think the next step to get started with having a career exploration workshop at your school is to contact Focus on Energy. They can put you in contact with a contractor in your area. It'll be easy, simple. They'll do a lot of the footwork, and all you have to do is have a time that works into your schedule.